We've been in business since January of 1980. And one of the reasons we've been successful for all these years is because we treat all of our customers like family. And we only do repairs on their vehicles as much as they authorize. We don't go above. And we let them know, hey, it's time to get rid of the vehicle, or you can get another 200, 300,000 miles out of this vehicle. You tell us what you want to do, and that's what we'll do. Part of the reason people feel so comfortable, we're in an industry that is known for taking advantage of people. We've got digital inspections. It's something new that we've rolled out this year. The digital inspections allow us to take pictures of all the vehicles, what's wrong with it, and give you a picture of it. So, the old saying, a picture's worth 1,000 words is true. Everything we've ever done on vehicles, we show you the worn out parts if you want it. We show you the leaky valve cover gaskets. Whatever's wrong with it, we save the parts, show you the parts. The digital inspections will allow you to see what's wrong with it and our recommended repairs. We've got positive Google reviews because of treating everybody like family. One of the reasons that we give back to the community and support the community is because they support us. We're not a corporate store, so we don't have corporate dollars backing us. We are family owned and operated, so we have to make sure everything is done top notch to make sure that the customers keep coming back. In order customers keep coming back, we also give back to the community because they support us, we support them. I got into the repair business years ago when I was born and raised on a farm. At that point in time, we had to fix all of our equipment. You didn't go out and buy new equipment. Fixing the lawnmower, the tractors, things like that. I love taking things that are broken and making them work again. And that is why I do it, and I love taking a car that's an 8-cylinder running on 6-cylinder and getting all 8 cylinders back. It brings a smile to my face to see some of these old vintage cars coming in that we're still working on and keep them going 55, 60 years later.